I'm Mike Griffiths, Technical Manager for Retigo UK, and today we're going to show you how to access the oven by removing the side panels and the front panel and just show you how really easy it is to do. Okay, so front panel, dead easy, 8mm bolt at the front. Just undo that screw and straight away we lift, we turn, straight away we can get access to the front controls. If I spin this oven round, so that's dead easy to do. Let's remove this hand shower. We've got two 8mm screws in the side underneath. Now these screws underneath do not need removing completely. They just need to be able to be turned enough so that the panel will slide away. And on the top of the oven there's three on the side panel, flat bladed mushroom screws. So flat tip screwdriver, we'll get them off. I just spin them off. Nice and quickly. Off. There you go, side panel off. Nice and easy. I'm going to put this on the side. I don't know if anybody was counting them, but it was probably about 10 seconds. Straight away, we've got two panels open. We've got access to 90% of the oven. So as a service engineer, limited space in kitchens, this is an engineer's dream, to work in the side panel and the front panel very, very quickly, and you can test pretty much everything. In fact, we can test the heating elements and the resistance from the front. We don't need to take the back panel off, but we are going to take the panel off just to show you how easy it is. Let me just give another spin on this oven. And just give that a little spin there. So on the back panel, we've got two flat mushroom screws on the top. Again, we've got two 8mm underneath. Let's have a look. Let's see what this uncovers. Let's just give that another little turn. And away we go. Straight away, access to the fan motor, the heating elements, heat exchanger, and there we go, panels off, dead easy.